Hi, so I'm Travis Groth with the Murray County Chamber and Economic Alliance. We're in a community about uh, 30 minutes south of Nashville. And the challenge that we faced is, how do we improve the alignment between workforce development training programs and actual employer skills demand? And I think this is a challenge that a lot of communities face, and it always sounds very simple on the surface, and still until you try to dig into it and figure out where some of the disconnects are happening. And so what we realized we needed to do is to understand labor demand for both our current and future employers that we're hoping to attract, and to determine the best practices in supplying a skilled and sustainable workforce for those type of employers. And in order to do that, sorry, Amy, is there a way to start over?
Sure, no problem. Yeah, let me,
Can I go faster if possible?
yeah, if you are done before you're ready to switch slides, just tell me next slide and I'll go ahead and advance it.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Great.
let me go back here. All right. Okay, so I'll mute myself again and you just tell me when you're ready.
Okay. All right, I'm ready. Hi, I'm Travis Groth with the Murray County Chamber and Economic Alliance. Murray County is a community located on I-65, about 40 minutes south of Nashville, and about an hour and a half away from Huntsville, Alabama. And the challenge we find ourselves in is trying to figure out how we can better improve alignment between workforce development training programs and actual employer skills demand. I think this is a familiar problem that a lot of communities are facing, especially as different skills are needed, um, and as the pace of change increases, as we've all seen recently, making sure that these two things stay aligned. Next slide, please. And so it always sounds simple to better align those two needs until you start digging into it and trying to figure out where the disconnect is coming in. And so we decided what we needed to do is understand the actual labor demand for both our current and employers and the type of employers that we are working to attract to Murray County. And then to determine best practices in order to supply skilled and sustainable workforce for those type of employers. Next slide, please. And so the solution we've come up with, and we realize this is only a next step in a longer process, is we'll be performing a workforce alignment study in conjunction with an outside consulting firm. And I'm excited to say that through some of the expertise gained through going through this ACCE fellowship, we're actually ready. We've contracted with the consulting firm and we'll be kicking off this project in July 2020. And so we're really excited to get moving forward, get the study completed and see what recommendations come out of the study so that we can start implementing those and better aligning our training and talent development pipelines for actual employer demand. Thank you very much.